Here. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to see the topic of migration of S3 bucket. So in this video we will get an overview what we are going to do in next 2 to 3 videos. So in this video we will learn and we will try to understand the problem and how we can tackle the solution. So first of all, this will be an open source project. Anyone can contribute in this. So we will create a website. Basically it will be a project. We will create a project which will help the organizations, which will help the users to migrate their S3 bucket from one account to another account. We have discussed the same in previous video also. Let me go through the once again here. So we have one AWS account, first account, and again we have one second account. Now inside first account we have one storage S3 bucket, and same in AWS second account. Now the problem is we want to transfer this one bucket which is inside first one account S3 bucket, and now we want this one bucket to be transferred to the second bucket which is in another account. We can say we want to transfer, we want to say, or we want to copy the whole items. No matters that you have 1 lakh item, you have 2 lakh item, or 1 crore, or more than this, that doesn't matter. So this website will help you migrating your basically data from S3 bucket to another S3 bucket. So as you can see on the screen, this is a basic problem. I think a lot of people face this issue when like they want that we need to migrate the data. Now the reason can be like this AWS account one is generating too huge cost, due to which we want that our bucket to be transferred to another account. We have created another account and now we want to transfer. Now let's have an example. If we have around 1k or 2k data, like 2k items in our S3 bucket, so it's really too critical to transfer this bucket data to this. First we need to download the data to our local system, and then we need to upload this in second bucket. It really too hectic to do this. Now what we are going to do, we will create a tool. Basically it will be a website which will help us to transfer this bucket data to this bucket. Now what will be the conditions? So we will allow, let's have an overview of the website. So here we will create an input bar, like one field for input text, and same second for second account. We will require the region of S3 bucket, after that account ID and secret ID, after that same for account second, and we need the bucket name and the bucket name in which we need to transfer. So we need four input fields from AWS account one side, and AWS second account 4 fields. So there will be total 8 fields. Now we will make sure that we are not going to delete the data from bucket 1. We will we are not going to delete anything from bucket 1. By chance if you think that we need not want to transfer, then you can stop the process and nothing will be deleted from your bucket 1. So this is the basic problem which I feel we should work on this, and soon in future we are going to, not in future, by in next video we are going to work on a project. We will take an help of Next.js to do this, and make sure that if you are working on this project, we will create a demo website and we will host it on Vercel. Now you can easily collaborate with us, you can contribute to this open source project, and I will look into your code. If it's really cool, I will merge it and I will add you as a collaborator. That will really improve your GitHub profile also. So that's all guys. In this video we will start working, we will start coding in next video. That's all. Thank you.